The first latch that we are going to study is SR latch. There are two main types of SR latch. One is using NOR gate and another one is using the NAND gate. In this case, we are referring to the SR latch using NOR gate. So here you can see logical diagram of SR logic or SR latch such that we have a two coupled NOR gates along with two inputs, S for set and input R for reset. Okay, then we have two outputs, output Q and Q dash. Okay, so I will be labeling each of these inputs here. So for example, if we have the set input here, S is for set, and similarly we have the R input here, where R refers to the reset and Q is the output, Q dash is output at this gate, and Q is the output of this gate. Okay, so based on, keep remember that Q and Q dash will be always complement of each other. If Q is 0, Q dash will be 1, and if Q is 1, then Q dash will be equal to 0. So they will always complement of each other. Okay. When we are discussing functionality of SR latch, we have multiple states such as the set state. There are two states important of SR latch. One is the set state, another one is the reset state, and then we have a no change state, and finally a forbidden or unpredictable state. So what is meant by each state? Okay, so for example, if we apply an input 1 to this gate, we will get a 0 output because here we have 1. Okay, so 1 will initially both gates are at the 0 0, the output of the both gates are at 0 0, so we will get a 0 at the output. So you must also know the truth table of the NOR gate. Let me write the truth table of NOR gate. If we have A input and B input and then finally output Y, so if input A and B are 0 0, output will be equal to 1. If it is 0 1, then output will be equal to 0. If it is 1 0, output will be equal to 0, and for 1 1, the output will also remain 0. Okay, so this one is truth table for NOR gate. Okay, so we will be looking into this truth table to find the relevant outputs. So if we have a 1 or the higher signal applied at this input and a 0 signal applied at this input, so what we get a 0 at this output, then if this 0 is coming to this gate, so 2 zeros, for 2 zeros the output is 1 for Q. Okay, so it can be drawn as we will write q is equal to 0 and q dash is equal to q is equal to 1 and q dash is equal to 0. Okay, so this state is called set state of the SR latch. Okay, then coming towards the second condition, if we are going to apply a 0 signal at both inputs. So what will happen? We apply a 0 signal at both inputs. Let me write it here so it must be clearly visible. So if we apply a 0 signal, so here we have 1 and 0, so 1 and 0 will result in again in 0. Okay, then 0 and 0 will result in 1 again. So at 0 0 the state of the latch will not change. Okay, so this state is called no change. Okay, similarly now in third case we are going to apply a signal 0. So let me write it with the relevant color. So if we are going to apply a 0 and 1 to the inputs of the SR latch, so 0 and 1. Okay, so we are applying 1 and 1 to this gate. Okay, so what will happen if we are going to apply 1 and 0 is coming to this gate? So it will result in a 0. Okay, so Q is now 0, and what will be the value of Q dash? So 0 and 0 will result in 1 in the output of Q dash. Okay, so now at this case the state of the SR latch is reversed. Okay, so keep remember, when we are going to apply the higher signal to the reset, the SR latch goes into a reset state. Okay, this state is called reset state. So again in the fourth case we are going to apply low signals at both inputs of the SR latch. So we apply 0 and 0 at S and R. This one is 0, this one is 0. Okay, so 0 and this is also 0. It will not change the value of the output. So 0 and 0 results in 1. Okay, and then 1 and 0 results in 0. Okay, so here we have 0 and 1 is the output. So there is the condition of no change. Okay, finally we have a condition of 1 1 if we are going to apply 1 at both inputs of the SR latch. Okay, so 1 and 1, for example, if we are going to supply 1 and 1 at both inputs, so what will happen? 1 and 0, actually the result is 0 at this state and also 0 at this state. Okay, so we have 0 and 0 at both outputs of the SR latch, but this condition is forbidden. Or it is also called unpredictable or metastable of the SR latch. This condition is avoided. Keep remember that do not apply a high input it both inputs of the SR latch, because we don't know what will be the next state of the SR latch. So with this input, the stability of the SR latch gets disturbed, so we must avoid this state. Okay, so there is the property that if you have applied input 0 at both inputs, so what will be the state of the SR latch? So it depends that what sort of signal you have applied before this one. Okay, so if you applied a higher signal at the S input, this circuit will be in the higher in the set state. Okay, and if you have applied a high signal to the R input, such as then this one, then the circuit will be in the reset state. Okay, so at 0 0 we don't know what is the exact state of the circuit. Okay, so it depends on the what was the input before this one. Okay.